Excuse me for my wobbly camera holding, but I just wanted to share with the YouTube community my mathematical discovery. So many of you might be familiar with Pascal's triangle, which starts with a 1 on the top, and then you go to the next layer with a 1 and a 1, and then you go 1 plus 1 makes 2, and 1 plus nothing makes 1, and 1 plus nothing makes 1, and then you continue in this fashion to get something like this. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and it's really cool because the first layer adds to 2 to the power of 0, and then the next layer adds to 2 to the power of 1, and then 2 to the power of 2, and so on. So it continues in this fashion. So this triangle is pretty cool because there's heaps of patterns and stuff. But anyway, I'll let you know the triangle that I thought of. So I was thinking of a human pyramid. So if I draw this with boxes, so you have 1 box on the top, then 2 below it, and 3, okay, so here is my human pyramid represented by boxes. So the person on top has no one on top of them, so they're carrying the weight of 0 people. So we'll give it a 0. And then we go down to the next layer where we have 2 people and they're both sharing the weight of the person on top. So they're each carrying the weight of half a person. So we give each box 0.5. But then we go down to the next layer and it gets a bit trickier. So we focus on this box. This box is taking half the weight of the box above it, because see how this box distributes its weight both on these boxes. So this box has the weight of half a box, but then it also takes some of the weight this box is taking from this box. So it's like a big chain reaction. So then plus 0.25 from half that weight. So then this makes 0.75. And then because of the symmetry of it, over here we have 0.75. And if I did the same process with these 2 boxes, I'd get 1.5. And yeah, so I'll continue for the next 2 layers. I calculated them before, but I'll just write them in now. 3.125, 2.125, 0.875, 0.9375, 2.5, 3.125, 2.5, 0.9375. Yeah, so there it is, how much weight each person takes in the human pyramid, and I thought it was pretty interesting. There's a lot of patterns I can see. First of all, the first layer adds to 0, and then the next layer adds to 1, and then 3, and then 6, and then 10. Which is pretty cool. Oh, wait, which is pretty cool because you probably recognize it as the triangular numbers, and it refers to how many boxes are on top of that layer. So here we have the 1, because there is 1 box on top of this layer, 3 boxes on top, and so on. It continues in this way. But also what was really cool is if you go down here, you realize it's an asymptote, it begins to approach 1. So essentially you could be on like a trillion person human pyramid and be on the bottom layer, but if you're on the very end, you'd still be taking the weight of less than 1 person. I thought that was really interesting. And I calculated this before, but I won't bore you with the calculations now. But if I continued going down this way, this one approaches a 3, and then this one approaches a 5. So that was pretty cool, some neat maths there on the physics of a human pyramid. Yeah, it's pretty cool.